Hi, I'm Scott Patrick. This is my great friend Jenny, and we're going to put on some foundation and a little basic makeup. First, I put on the liquid foundation with a brush, and then I use a damp sponge, and that way the sponge doesn't absorb all the makeup back. And the idea is to pat the makeup into the skin. A little lighter underneath the eye and a V. And a little lighter in the chin. I put a pad on my finger, and that way Jenny's face stays clean. I follow the contour like a windshield. To get a great contour on the face, I like to go from the corner, from that part of your ear, down to your mouth. That way you have a place to start and where you're going, and you can easily replicate it on the other side. Turned it? Because I've started and I finished in the corner of the mouth. And you go about to center. Hey Jenny, you're gorgeous. You go to
I am now.
the center of the eye down is usually how I kind of like to play it. Oh look. Look at those bones. So now we've contoured. We've got to put a little color. Wake it up a little. Just relax, dear. And I'm still, it's not on the apple. The apple was years ago. We've moved on from the apple, and now it's about a Jerry Hall cut a steak like a knife cheek. So my blusher is kind of on the underside, because I don't want to take the attention away from her gorgeous cheeks. She worked hard for those cheeks. What we need is mascara, and lots of it. Wow. I love Bobbi Brown, #2 Natural. It's just a beautiful beigey brownie lip line that looks like natural, but just gives you the definition that we all need. Obviously, I love it so much that it's a half an inch tall now. Ivana Trump used to say she likes tones. What we're doing today is tones. It's Ivana, not Ivanka.